Hello and welcome to How Do You Cook Back to Basics. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a simple macaroni salad, y'all. First off, you'll want to cook your macaroni noodles according to the packaging instructions. I have included in each clip exactly what I am doing step by step for when you are cooking your macaroni noodles. While your macaroni noodles are cooking, go ahead and prepare your vegetables. This will save you time in the long run. That way you have everything ready to go once your macaroni is completed cooking. So now we're going to add our ingredients to our bowl before we add our macaroni. We have 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. I used Duke's, 1/2 cup of sour cream, 2 hard-boiled eggs already chopped, 1 cup of diced cucumbers, 1/2 cup of chopped bell pepper, 1/4 cup of sweet pickle relish, 1 tablespoon of grated onion, 1 1/4 teaspoons of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 1/4 teaspoon of granulated sugar. Okay, so now we're going to mix up all of our ingredients together. Then we're going to add our already cooked macaroni noodles. We're going to go ahead and add our macaroni noodles. This is a full 8-ounce packet of macaroni noodles. You can use any brand that you prefer. Now that we have our macaroni noodles in here, we're going to give this a really good toss and make sure that everything is completely combined. This looks delicious. I hope you enjoyed this episode on How Do You Cook Back to Basics. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like button down below, y'all. Until next time, bye-bye now.